Welcome to this tutorial. Throughout the store we've built so far, you've probably noticed that products can be added to a wish list. Clicking the wish list button successfully saves the product, but where can customers view all of their saved items? In this lesson, you'll learn how to display the wish list on your website, explore the available plugin settings, and configure the wish list so it's available only to registered users if needed. In general, the Wishlist plugin works very much like the Cart plugin we covered in the previous lesson. To display the wish list on your website, simply add the Wishlist plugin. Let's place it next to the cart icon in the header. Add a new plugin. Select Wishlist from the plugin list. That's it. Customers can now open the wish list at any time to view all the products they've saved. The Wishlist plugin provides several configuration options. You can specify a label, although many websites choose to display only the icon. To improve accessibility, it's recommended to enter a descriptive ARIA label. You can also replace the default icon with any custom SVG icon by uploading it to your icon library and selecting it in the icon option. Like the Cart plugin, the Wishlist plugin also includes the design and layout settings, allowing you to customize its appearance and seamlessly match the rest of your website. Now, let's see how the Wishlist works. I'll add a product to the wishlist. As soon as it's added, a notification appears in the bottom right corner, confirming that the product has been saved. Notice that the wish list doesn't open automatically, allowing customers to continue browsing without interruption. To view the saved products, simply click the wish list icon. The wish list opens in a light box, displaying each product along with its selected options, in our case, size and color. From here, customers can remove individual products from the wish list or move them directly to the shopping cart. When a product is added to the cart, it's automatically removed from the wish list and appears in the cart instead. The wish list also supports bulk actions. You can remove all saved products at once or add all of them to the shopping cart with a single click. Displaying the wish list in a light box provides a much smoother shopping experience than sending customers to a separate page. They can quickly review their saved products, make changes, and continue browsing the catalog without losing their place. If needed, you can make the wish list available only to registered users. To do this, open the Store settings. Navigate to the Wish List section and enable the Wish List only for registered users option. Once this option is enabled, it's also a good idea to display the Wishlist plugin only to registered users. Open the Wishlist plugin settings and under View, select Registered. Now save the page and let's see how it works. When I click the Add to Wishlist button, an alert appears informing me that the wishlist is available only to registered users. This provides a seamless experience for members while encouraging visitors to create an account before saving products. The wishlist is a valuable addition to any e-commerce website. It allows customers to save products they're interested in, compare them later, and quickly move them to the shopping cart when they're ready to buy. Combined with its Lightbox interface, it creates a fast and uninterrupted shopping experience without taking customers away from the page they're browsing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.